Pag pinagaling ka ng Diyos, inaasahan na dapat marunong kang magpasalamat. Marunong kang magpasalamat. Hindi tungkulin ng Diyos na ikaw ay pagalingin. Sapagkat hindi naman kasalanan ng Diyos na ikaw ay magkasakit. So kung ikaw ay pinapagaling, magpasalamat. Hindi po ba? Maraming may sakit na hindi na gumaling, pero kung ikaw ay pinagaling, magpasalamat. Be grateful. You have reasons to be grateful because you were restored. As many times I have said this, the secret of a happy life is a grateful spirit. Not all happy people are grateful people, but all grateful people are happy people. Be grateful. Third, hindi lang yung